Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are all warmly welcome and I hope you are doing good. Today's video is very short and quick but very inspiring and interesting. Let's start cooking. So as you can see from the title, we are making potato fufu. Yes, potato fufu. Let me tell you a little background story behind this. Why I made this potato fufu. So one day I woke up and I made my soup, very delicious cow soup, right, guys? And I thought I had my flour, my cocoyam flour and plantain flour over there waiting for me to make my fufu. Later on, I realized that it was left with some little amounts in the packet. I mean, in the pack. So it was even late and it was also raining as well. So I was stuck because I had to make dinner. What came into my mind was, why don't you use your potato to make some fufu? So I looked down and I found my potato lying there. I took it, I peeled off the skin as usual, and I chopped it into smaller pieces. Like I diced it up, and yeah, guys, this is the beginning of my story. Why I made potato fufu because I was so stranded. It was raining, it was late, my soup was so ready, like long ready, and I thought I had my fufu flour ready in the cabinet. But when I took the bus, I realized I had almost nothing in the pack. So what came into my mind was to try this recipe. So I put my potato in the blender and I added little amount of water. Please be sure to add little amount of water instead of too much water instantly because you might end up making porridge instead of fufu. So add little water and then keep adding it bit by bit until you get the texture you are looking for. Okay? The potato was smoothly blended up and I tried to make it into two different ways. I tried to make one on the stove and also one in my microwave, guys. So that's what we are doing. So we are making two types of potato fufu, one in the microwave and one on the cooker top or the stove top. So after dividing the mixture, you put one in the microwave and one on the stove top. This one goes into the microwave. After some minutes, I'll bring it out and check, knead it, put it back in the microwave and check it. Like I'll do that until I see it's well cooked. I'll do the same thing to the one on the cooker, like we all do, guys, like we all do at homes. Yeah, so I'm doing the one on the cooker, and so far, so good. It's ready now, guys. But one thing is, it's too soft for my liking. It's too soft for my liking. So this is how I make my potato fufu. You can as well use raw potatoes and raw cocoyam or raw cassava or raw plantain to do this and use any of these methods to make your fufu. Yeah, so since it's too soft for my liking, I decided to also use the flour, the small amount of flour left in the pack. I decided to use it and mix it together because I want to get at least a thicker texture than what I have now with only the potatoes. So I'm adding this one, and guys, the results wasn't bad. I'm not mad at all. The result was so great. And I thought I was doing this, like I was the first to do this, but I never realized that people have been doing this in their homes. They buy the raw cassava or plantain and then mix it with the flour. I never knew. So I said, then I am so happy that I have done this. I have developed this recipe and I want to share with you, my subscribers, my family, my supporters. I hope you are inspired and you will definitely try this. Try it and you will tell me that yes, it is so good. It feels so good. It feels so natural. The texture makes me think that I'm still in Ghana. Like the texture, the taste is so amazing. It's like that of the fufu made in the mortar, guys. This is superb. It's so perfecto. I wish you would try this and you let me know about it. I hope you are inspired. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Because we share ideas on this channel. We inspire each other on this channel. And I promise you will never regret joining this beautiful family. Recommend this channel to friends and families. And yes, let them be also inspired. Some of the flour companies use too much color in the flour, so it will be so good if you can do this all by yourself and you know what you are putting in your body. I'll be showing you how I make my fufu flour, so guys, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm happy dinner is ready. Perfecto, guys, perfecto. So guys, ever since I achieved this, I'm so much impressed and happy. So I hardly buy the flour again. I only buy my cassava and my plantain, or my potato and my plantain, and then I use this same process to make my fufu. So far I'm loving it. It looks so natural and no food coloring there or anything, so I'm impressed. I hope you are impressed too. Try this method and let me know your results or give me the feedback. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for commenting, and thanks for subscribing to this channel. So guys, a video of my plantain and potato coming up soon. I am so impressed, guys. Now this is what I do. This is how I make my fufu. The result is amazing, as I said. So in order not to make porridge, I want to show you a little trick. So stay tuned, subscribe for more videos. Stay blessed. Bye bye.